Guys, we're in the catch seafood well. Kasal ni Jelly and ni Pau Pau. Happy wedding! Ayan ang mga gift.
Jenny and Sir Paulo, galing sa kanila yung prize.
Ito guys ang reception. Ayan mga visitors. Latecomers na kami. Ayan mama ni Jelly.
Okay, picture mo na kayo. Hello, wow! Bongga yung prize.
Wow! Kasi my friend kumakain. Ay, mga taga-Carrefour. My friend.
Ano masasabi niyo? Ano masasabi niyo?
Hi everyone!
Wala silang...
Let's eat, guys.
Wala silang dalang gift, pero may gift sila. Hindi ka talaga tumakan na to. Grabe talaga tumakan itong babae na to. Wala silang dalang gift.
Tapos ka dyan. Hindi nga.
Number...
Wala naman. Hindi naman kita friend.
We proceed for the pre-game. So, if I would say, bring me
Ayan mo na, i-hide mo na lang.
forward, you can claim the prize. Okay? So, question number 1 is, bring me photo na kasama mo ang bagong kasal. Go! Ako! Memory full!
Saglit.
Now, wait, saan ka dito, sir? Wow, guys, malaki yung lagayan.
Guys, dito kami sa kasal. Ayan. Si Jelly and Pau.
Di ba pinaghihirapan ka nila? Wow! Washing machine! Wow, magluto ka na mamaya, madam. Congratulations po. I think we have our last prize, right? Isa na lang po yung prize. Isa na lang po. Tatlo. May games ka pa ba, ma'am? Ako na lang mag-games. Okay. Okay, let's have here proceed for the next part of the game.
Hi.
Let's hold the boys. Okay, all the boys, please stand out.
Punta na kayo doon.
Okay, ma'am, yung ano pangalan ng mga boys?
Go, go, go.
Renz, Luigi, Ryan. Oh, may lumabas?
Si Ryan, lumabas.
Okay, who else? How about Sir Carlo, right? Mark, ayun? John Mark. Sir John Mark, hindi pa yung nanalo ha, yung mga hindi pa nanalo. Okay. Yes, later. Girls na naman. Can you stand here po sa front? Okay, face of the audience po.
Talaga.
Okay.
Bigyan mo ko dyan, Tia. Pag ano, kay Jelly. Thank you.
Yung dalawa. Sir! Okay lang yung senior. Okay lang yung senior. Okay. Hi, sir. Can you join us po? Paminsan lang itong wedding ni Paulo and Jenny. Baka yun na yung certain si Madam. Dito na. Okay, make your line straight po. Okay, hi sir. Okay ka lang sir, nabili ka na ng prize. Excited ka naman sir. Okay, how about you sir? Can you also join? Nalo ka na ako, grabe. Umalit-bagit naman. Pag may napasok, makuha ng gamit nila ang sasasya. Okay, okay. Okay, so we have here, hi, good afternoon. Can you introduce yourself before we start this program? Okay. So, can you introduce yourself? And of course, where you came from, how old are you? Are you single, married, widow, or taken, or separated? Okay? That's all, thank you. Okay, can you show your name to each and everybody so that you can know what is your name? Are you ready? Question number 1. Question answer. Okay, go.
My name is Miguel. I'm from Negros Occidental. I stay here in the I work as a
That's all. Thank you. Okay ka lang? Oh, okay ako. Okay, welcome to the catch. Yes. And then introduce yourself to each and everyone.
Hi, shout out guys. ako guys nanalo sa games, kaya
Okay,
ayan.
so, additional?
Iba naman sila naman.
Are you married, single, separated?
Shout out everyone, girl yung Vera. Vincent Mario Star.
Are you single, widow, separated, or naked? Congratulations. Huwag mo makalimutan yun eh, okay? The catch pa rin. Okay, hi sir. Good afternoon. What is your name?
My name is Renz. I live in Albarsha and I went to Carrico.
Wow. Are you married, single, widow, or taken? Ano magano siya? Wait lang. Isipin ko muna yun. Ano ba yun? Okay, go.
Pwede bang it's complicated?
It's complicated. Why? Wait lang, yung dalawa na. Nagpatakantang yung dalawa. Uy! Sino okay na kayo?
Yung dalawa na kaso.
Wait lang, madam. Pinagkataon na talaga yung kasawa nito. Sino mas asawa mo dyan? O, asawa mo. Okay. Ay, isip sila. Sabihin natin single kayo. Okay, what is your name? And can you introduce to all your guests here what is your complete name, your address, your location, and your ATM card number? Okay, just kidding. Okay.
I am si Bato. Hindi na ako mahuli, nandito na ako sa Dubai.
Ano ko sa live? Okay, hi sir. Good afternoon. Can you introduce to our guests and visitors? Okay, introduce your name to each and every one.
My name is Boyan from Sharjah, UAE. I have to say.
At this point, what is your beautiful message to your wife that you will never be said before?
Until the last.
Until oil. Can you show love to your beautiful wife?
My love is not
Tudas kayo di ba man yan? Tudas ay asa di ka lambong ka mamaya.
Gano'n sa puso mo? Pinasama yung isa. Hoy, pasok kayo dito. Hindi kayo papasok kayo yung mga tayo ng bill. Saan kayo galing? Okay na kayo? Kasama kayo ng girlfriend mo? Okay. Sir, yun yung ba? Kayo dito.
Naku. I-escape pa yung dalawa eh.
Ang grabe, ang gagwapo naman kami ng mga to. Grabe, kailangan kita dito sa Dubai. Nagwapo, pinatulad ni Kuya, nagwapo-gwapo. Ay, Kuya, pinakabahan ka ba? Ha? Parang takot siya sa akin. Kuya, hi! What's your name? Can you introduce to our guests and visitors your name, your location, and your password? Okay, your name, no? Taga saan ka? Kaya, parang pinabahal sa kuyo. Single, married, widow, separated, taken. Married. Yes, ano ba ng wife? Sel, di ba proud? Ayaw hindi ko proud. Plastic talaga yung dalawa. Sir, okay na lang, sir? Okay ba? Parang namumulang si sir. Okay lang, sir? Okay lang, dito yun. Napaulit. Okay, hi sir. Can you introduce to our guests? Your name, your address, and if you're taken or separated or widowed.
My name is Ryan from Albarsha.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Bring your body, kuya! Okay.
later.
Walang MMA.
Hi, Jenny and Pao. First of all, congrats for you.
Okay lang yung ang tawag sa Tagalog yung sweat. Rice for your wedding cake. Ayan.
Guys, now is the cutting of the cake. Ayan, yung dalawa.
Okay, everyone, let us witness the couple to slice the first apple wedding cake that we have here on the wedding cake. And of course, this cake is symbolized how sweetness is the cake and also the love and the commitment that we have here in this afternoon will be last forever. And of course, they will also be taken for a tasting for a cake. The first will take the bite for a cake is our beautiful bride. Ayan. So sir, it is your time. Ay, sorry po sir, ikaw po sir. Pakain ko yung sir. Okay, take small slice, big slice. If you love your wife, you can take 1 plate of cake. Okay, I see you po. Pasay lang po. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Wow.
Wow!
And of course, our beautiful bride will take a slice of the cake, of course, for your husband.
3, 2, 1!
Very good. And congratulations, Paolo.
Guys.
Happy marriage.
Happy marriage!
Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Congratulations, couple. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless you all. Yes, may mga souvenir po sa mga table nyo. Pwede yung dalhin yan. Dahil sa souvenir of Paolo and Jelly po. Ayan, di ba kaya one for all the guests and visitors. Maraming salamat po. Ingat tayo lahat. See you around po.
Guys, nandito na kami. Patapos na ang occasion. Ayan, mga bisita, picturean. Tapos na din kami mag-picture, guys. Ay, dali na! One! Sama rin! Si Ate Glass na susunod! Diba? Congratulations, guys!
Just click the button. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Subscribe.
Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and likes and watch our another video. So, stay tuned. Follow us guys. See ya next time. God
Bye.
bless. Bye.